How does Earth stay warm? Invisible gases hold heat close, shaping our climate. Today, we explore 3 greenhouse molecules, uncovering secrets. Get ready to unravel their warming power. These tiny molecules drive big changes in global temperature. Carbon dioxide is a linear molecule with 2 oxygen ends. Its straight shape vibrates to absorb infrared radiation energy. CO2 traps heat, then emits it back toward Earth. It stays in the air for thousands of years. Its warming impact lasts centuries through constant heat cycling. CO2's global warming potential is defined as our baseline at 1. These stable vibrations make carbon dioxide a persistent greenhouse gas. Methane molecules form a tetrahedral shape around 1 carbon. Its 4 hydrogen arms vibrate actively with infrared light. CH4 absorbs energy efficiently despite a shorter atmospheric lifetime. It lingers roughly 12 years before breaking down naturally. Methane's global warming potential is nearly 30 times stronger. Farming, fossil fuels, and wetlands release methane into our atmosphere. Its powerful heat trapping makes methane a crucial target. Nitrous oxide is a bent molecule with uneven bond angles. This twisted shape vibrates strongly under infrared radiation. N2O absorbs and emits heat, intensifying the greenhouse effect. It remains in our atmosphere for over 1 century. Nitrous oxide packs nearly 300 times CO2's warming power. Fertilizers fuel combustion, and industry produce this potent gas. Reducing N2O emissions is vital for future climate stability. Each greenhouse gas vibrates to trap and emit Earth's heat. Understanding their structures helps us protect our planet's climate. Molecule by molecule, we safeguard Earth's future. Learn more and take climate action.